This is urgent because more children are ending up in the hospital with COVID-19.
And Utah's experiencing more cases of a rare complication in kids. COVID impact specialist Lad Egan has more on what doctors are seeing. Lad?
Primary Children's Hospital says it's seen more children being admitted sick with COVID than last month and much more than last year.
When people tell you that kids don't get very sick, you should walk in our shoes every day. Right now, we're seeing about 8 to 12 children in the hospital because of COVID-19 every day.
Dr. Andrew Pavia said Primaries is operating at or near capacity with an exhausted staff and dealing with a nursing shortage.
We've been running at absolute capacity. The staff has been, we told you they were exhausted in August. And now we're in October. Imagine how they're doing.
He said the hospital is also seeing more cases of the rare but dangerous MIS-C, or multi-system inflammatory syndrome, in children.
Most of the children with MIS-C end up needing ICU care.
It's the complication he says doctors fear the most. It typically occurs about 30 days after a child has COVID.
It can occur after mild infection, and it is one of the most serious manifestations of COVID in children.
I was so scared for his life. Like, it was like in Nevada, they told me basically he ain't gonna make it, like he was gone.
Las Vegas 6-year-old Zaire spent more than a month at Primary Children's because of MIS-C.
No, I didn't know he had COVID. He didn't show no sign of him having COVID.
His mom says it started with a headache and rash. He was rushed to the hospital after having a seizure. He had heart surgery and then was flown to Utah, where he underwent more surgeries.
I thank them so much for what they did for my baby. Say hi, Zaire.
He's steadily recovered, and today Zaire was released from the hospital and is heading home.
In a month, he went through all those surgeries, and for my son to be walking, talking, that is the biggest blessing that God can give me.
Just a great end to that story. So glad that he is heading home. That mother does remind Utah parents to watch for symptoms of MIS-C, which can include fever, rash, and abdominal pain. Back to you.